Good day my friends, in this video I will show you how to set up this watch Casio W59. So first we need to press the mode button on the bottom left, 1, 2, 3, okay, and then now we are in this one, the adjust mode, and you can press this button on the right side to make this second 0. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, like this, okay, and if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. So this is the example, okay, and then next we can move to the next item to set, and that is the hour by pressing the light button, okay, and we can change the number or increase the number by pressing this button. So for example, this one 12, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So I will just push and hold until returns to 11, okay, and then next we can press again the light button to move to the next item, and that is the minute. And yes, we can use this button again to increase the number, okay, 14, 15 and so on, and then again press the light button. Now we are setting this one, the month, and use this button again to change or increase the number. So this is May, June, July and so on. I will return to this one, December, and then press again the light button, and now we set this one, the date. So you can press this button again to change or to increase the number, and then again the light button to move to the next item, and that is the day, Tuesday, and you can use this button to change Wednesday, Thursday and so on, okay, and then again the light button. Now we return to this screen. This is for the second, and if you're done with the setting, you can press the mode button to return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, done. And then to change the time format, you can press this button on the right side, from this one AM PM to become 24-hour format and so on, okay. And then now we will set the alarm. So to do that, you can press this mode button once, and we can see here AL alarm, and then we can press the light button on the top left to adjust this one, the hour. So let me set for 5:30. So I will press this button on the right side to change the hour to become 5, okay, and then press again the light button to move to the minute, and then press this button, press and hold until it nears 30. So this one, okay, now 5:30 for the alarm, and then press again the light button to exit from the time adjust mode for the alarm, and then we can select which features are active. In this case, this is only the alarm, and if you press this button once, it will cycle to the next option, and that is only the signal is active, or the hourly chime, which means you will get beeping every changing of the hour. And then press again. Now both the alarm and also the hourly signal are active. Press again, both not active. So in this video I will show you if both are active. So press this button several times until both icons are active. But if you want to turn both off, then just press again until there are no icons here. Okay, I will return to both active, so press this button several times until both icons showing, and then I press the mode button to return to the timekeeping mode, and done. We have set the time, date and also the alarm on this watch, Casio W59. Hopefully this video is useful, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.